Want that must-have item trending on TikTok, but your bank account is saying no? I'm here to show you how to break free with Klarna. First, find the product you're obsessing over on TikTok Shop. Notice the price tag. We're about to make paying for this a breeze. Tap that bright, enticing buy now button. This is where the magic begins. You'll land on the order summary page. Double-check your shipping address and all the juicy details you want that package to arrive safe and sound. Scroll down to the payment options. See that Klarna logo? Tap it. It's your gateway to splitting that payment into manageable installments. Klarna will pop up, presenting you with flexible payment options like Pay in 4. Choose the option that works best for your budget. You'll be prompted to fill out a quick application with Klarna. This usually involves some personal details and connecting a payment method. Don't worry, Klarna uses secure encryption. Once approved, you'll see your payment schedule laid out clearly. Know exactly when those installments are due. You'll be redirected back to TikTok to finalize your order. Klarna should now be selected as your payment method. Tap place order and boom, you've successfully used Klarna on TikTok Shop. Now go rock that trending item.